So hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary. Today I will talk about accountant. As the saying goes, there are two things you can always rely on: death and taxes. The latter is usually the bane of most people's existence and is of major importance to business. Almost all small businesses are required to pay business taxes. To this end, they must consistently record financial dealings, submit annual abbreviated accounts, self-assessment for freelancers, corporate tax returns, file, pay, VAT bills, and manage many other financial reportings or taxes obligations. The majority of small businesses can't afford to have an accountant in house, so turn to local accountants or small accounting firms to help make sure their filing is correct and their tax season efficient as possible. To start an accounting business, you will need to have basic accounting qualifications, college or university, and be registered with the institute Institute of Financial Accountants. The setup cost for an accountant is minimal as it's service based. In essence, you will need a place to work from home or small offices and a good filing system, accounting software, a decent computer, and security software to protect client private financial data. Local accountants can earn anywhere between 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees per month. The beauty of this business is that every business needs an accountant. For marketing, you can send letters to other local businesses, attend networking events, and join local business groups. That is, British, a lot of things are there to meet new accounting clients. You can also remotely for companies who are not in your local area. Is it? So thank you so much, guys. Be happy. Take care. Love you. Thank you.